Hi guys, so today I'm going to be demonstrating the easiest way to fix a pinhole leak in a water pipe like this. So this right here is a pipe repair clamp. This one fits 3/4 inch steel or PVC and 1-inch copper pipe because copper and iron pipe are measured with different systems. So this is super easy to use. It comes with this bolt, you just flip it out like that, push the clamp over the leak, and then tighten this nut. You don't even need to turn the water off or cut any pipes. It's so simple. Now you just take an appropriately sized wrench and tighten it down. Now you know when to stop tightening when it feels snug and it's no longer leaking. So now it feels pretty snug and I don't see any water coming out anymore. So I think this should be tight enough. Now if you come have a look at it, it's basically a stainless steel band with a rubber gasket and this bolt thing, as well as these blue clamps. They are, I think it's ductile iron that's been powder coated so they don't rust. And so you can see there's no more leaks. This is super easy. Clamp costs about $20. You can buy these at most plumbing or irrigation supply stores. They work on pretty much every kind of pipe, and you can see this has been fixed. No need to cut it or even turn the water off. So yeah, I would say if you've got a leak, definitely this is the easiest way to fix it. And now the pipe is good as new. No problems whatsoever. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and see you all next time. And I'll leave a link to buy these in the description. If you have a really old house that keeps having plumbing problems, you might want to keep a few on hand in case you have an emergency.